break right now. I'll give y'all a little view here in a minute. Yeah, we're out here chilling. This morning, we hit the shuttle. Around about 6:30, 6:45. Got here. Been on paperwork ever since. Definitely try to have most of your stuff situated before you come in. Everybody seen, it's a very hospitable, nice company. But just no first day, so time will tell. I'll get y'all a look at the yard and everything. We got all the trucks. I'm trying to get too many people in view like that, you know what I'm saying? There go some internationals. We got some freights too. Yeah, everything pretty decent though. It's a nice facility. It's small, but that's what you would expect, from a family-based company that's still out here hanging with the big dogs. You know what I'm saying? Like some of the perks that they come with McElroy, you guarantee home time on the weekend. Now that's after training. Now that's what I know for a fact. After training, you home every weekend. So drivers I've seen unloaded at stores, and I've heard it's been consistent. So that's a major plus. It's a Christian-based organization. I mean by that, you know what I'm saying? They have Christian principles, and that was everything for your boy, because that's all I'm about. God first, God all day, every day, 100. And yeah, I look stupid tired. I probably done seen like 7 hours of sleep in the past 3 days, but that's gonna change tonight, because your boy is surely finna catch up. But yeah, everything going pretty good. You know what I'm saying? You wanna pretty much what you see on their website is what you get. It could be a bit more informative, a bit more intuitive. But for the most part, it's pretty good. It's pretty good. We did do our drug screening today. Hair and urine. So be prepared. They go back at least 8 months, if not more. So be prepared. Don't come up here playing. You're wasting time and money. So get yourself together first. I'm saying we all had our passes. I know I did. So definitely, just make sure when you come up here, be about your business. Don't play around. That could be somebody's spot there that really desires it, that really needs something. It's life-changing for us. Definitely, do consider it though. It's great. Nice environment, lovely environment. Again, everybody has seemed to be very hospitable so far. Yeah. So we